So I put everything back together again. That was a nightmare, but I managed to got it down. Now I've got to check, make sure there's no leaks. It's working okay. There's the old one. And there's the new one. I put some special stuff to clean the washing machine drum, everything else. Make it look like new again. Here it's all working good order. Yeah, so what I've got to do is put a little bit onto this. Put it in the finger and wipe round the edges and then click it on. If you put it on dry, it's a nightmare. But you had to take all this off before you put this new spring on the top of it. And then you've got to put the new spring onto that one. This is where I got this. So what you see here, it's a little bit big. So I had to fold it down a bit to get to clip. There's no leaks, looking good, very good indeed. I put some stuff in the drawer. To make it all look like new. Yeah, looks really good. There's no leaks, as you can see, nice and dry. So that's passed. Thanks for watching.